Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, I wanted to talk to you today about the ATM business. And this particular video is from my series, actually my product, which is the ATM Mogul product. And this training here is going to teach you a little bit more about the ATM machine business where you open, where you own your own ATMs, and a lot more. It's a huge a lot of information, but I wanted just to kind of open your eyes to it. So I wanted to release this video to you for free. If you want to get on a coaching call with me and get some consultation about the ATM business, you could contact me at theposterpreneur@gmail.com, and then we can set something up for you. But without further ado, here's the video.
We will specifically be going into the first part of doing ATM business operations. So in this first part of the video, we are going to talk about setting up your business and getting ready to commit to that business. So setting up your business, you're going to need certain documents and certain business entities completed and certain legal documents ready to go. The next thing you need is you need to get ready to commit by ensuring that you have already selected in your mind what your goals are going to be and how you're going to operate and put those goals into action. We are going to build a relationship with our local businesses. So in this way, we are doing business to business sales. Now, in my system, we do not sell ATMs. We sell our services. How do we do this? Well, this isn't used car sales. So don't think of it that way, and don't treat your business that way. We are here to build relationships with our client partners. So we want to create empathy with them. So we are ensuring that they understand that we are successful when they are successful. We want to show these businesses how we could actually help them thrive and help them grow their business by ways that they probably didn't even know were available to them. We want to answer any questions that they may have. So you should be prepared to lay out in detail all the questions that the business owner may have about what type of services and how you can help their business. I already have it pre-planned because I can guarantee you they're going to ask many questions. Again, you want to show them that you care about the success of their business because literally this business operates symbiotically. So that way, if they are not successful in their business, it will affect your ATM business. So either way, you need to understand that you need to show them that you care about their success because it directly affects yours. You also want to offer value that the big banks will not and cannot provide. Secret is that this is the number one reason why we are winning. This concludes this video, and we will move into part 2 in the next video, so I can't wait to see you there. Cheers.
All right, if you see me right now, that means that you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. And I just wanted to add that if you wanted a little bit more information about the my training, you can go ahead and click on one of the videos in the that was one of the cards in the entire video, or go to my channel, The Posterpreneur, and there is a complete playlist about ATM, the ATM business and how it works and things of that nature. So just get yourself educated. If it's something that you want to learn a little bit more about, you can get a free one-on-one coaching consultation call with me, a free 20-minute one-on-one consultation coaching call with me. Just click on the email link below. It's at theposterpreneur@gmail.com. And then in their request, say, hi, I would like to get a free coaching call. And then we could I'll send you an email and we'll set up a free coaching call through Skype or Zoom or something of that nature. Now, after we do the coaching call, you could just decide what you want to do from there. But I'm also going to be offering a couple of more little tidbits for you. So stay tuned to the channel and subscribe, and see you in the next video.